Workshop Wednesday. Happy day, everybody. Rocking and rolling, cruising along. Sun shining, birds are chirping. Could use a little rain. You see it's a little chocolatey out there. Dre, what's up, buddy? Oh, look here. Cheese. What you doing, Cheese? I know. Cheese looking for a little handout this morning. He getting kind of skinny. Getting old. Can't eat enough to keep his weight up. It's bothering him. Feeding him all he can. Yeah. What? Y'all didn't come on and listen to Cheese and Drago. I am wrapping up a project today, or in the finishing stages. Just got done French graying. Where's my deal? French graying my TCA bit. So, let me find it in here. So I got her dripping in oil right now. And there she blows. So there it is. It's all good. It's been fun. I am excited to be at this stage of the process. I'm gonna leave it in oil and make sure she gets good and neutralized, the acids and all that from blue and salts from the French gray process. And then move on to the next. I got a bid on the block that I started last week. That is a pretty extensive project. Lots of fun concho silver work type of stuff. Do some chasing and some things that I don't normally get to do. So it's kind of I'm not going to say a repeat because I'm all the time changing up, but the base of the project was an old TCA piece from a number of years ago, and so they wanted one like it. Always loved it, and so away we go. Big old thick silver on this. Going to use 12 gauge silver on the concho, so big and thick. That'll be fun. But I got some exciting news. Something I want to show you guys, and didn't think this would ever happen. Look here, Eli. Yo. Say hi there, buddy. What's up? Oh, y'all meet Eli. Eli's the new helper. Gonna take care of life for me, right, Eli? Now don't hit that dang collar.
I'm not hitting it.
Okay.
I'm just
getting
about
close.
to hit it.
I told him don't do as I do as I say. I done blasted that thing at one point. Eli's job is to take care of me and my life. He's not gonna be building bits and spurs, my bits and spurs in shop. I'm still the same old routine as far as what I'm doing in shop. But Eli is a young guy wanting to learn how to build bits and spurs, and I've been to a couple classes. His job is to keep me clocked in. So I'm gonna help Eli learn how to be a bit and spur maker and hopefully make a living. We're gonna talk a lot about business, and he's 3 days into this little journey and probably tired of me talking about the time clock and time journaling and all that. And that's how Eli got here. His good friend Mike Skinner met at our TCA forum back in February. Mike said, you need to start taking journaling your time. I was like, I do. He said, no, all your time, everything you're doing. So guess what? I got the old time clock going right now for Patreon social media stuff. So how long does this take me? And after the first week of me journaling, I was like, I'm doing a lot of stuff that I don't need to be doing that keep me clocked in doing. I need to be doing my projects, and I can hire people to do, somebody to do postage and my posting on social media and different things like that. The problem with it is that I don't need somebody. I don't have 8 hours worth of work for somebody. So hopefully this will work out really good for me and Eli. When I need him, he's gonna clock in for me, and then he's gonna have run of my shop to go and do. He's been on his own for a couple years building stuff. So Eli's gonna be in a bit of an apprenticeship. I'll try to help him as much as I can, be a mentor, and see if we can't get Eli rocking and rolling. So what that means is in about 2 years, the son of a gun's gonna leave me, or a year. He's gonna leave me about the time he gets good enough to actually make a living and go about it. He's gonna leave my ass, and I'll be looking for somebody else, hopefully, if it all works out. And that's the game plan, to see what's going on. But anyhow, Patreon's good. Got good things going on Patreon. It's busy, and so if y'all are interested, did a drawing video. Yesterday did a shading video. Eli posted that up for me. So I was shading the leaf, and that's all good. Spur Workshop's kicking. September, I don't remember the exact dates. Go to the website. Dadgummit, I should remember dates, but I don't. Got 4 of you already signed up. Thank you for doing that. So if you're interested in Spur Workshop, speak now or forever hold your peace, and away we go. I had a private lesson on Monday. That was cool. And I got another one coming up in a couple weeks. So got a little of that action going on too. If you want one-on-one, can't afford 4 days away from the shop. That's what old Robert said Monday. He said, I can't afford 4 days, but I can damn sure afford one. So he paid for the whole day, which is like paying for 4 days of workshop, same price basically. So anyhow, he came and did that, and away we went. So I got to be thinking about my next TCA project. I'll be drawing on that. Going to do a pair of spurs, get this bit done. And going to be in Clifton tomorrow evening, May 4th, tomorrow. Come see me. Going to talk about me and my journey and what's going on. Going to be at the Bosque Arts Center. I think they're going to have me step on about 6:30. So 6:30, Bosque Arts Center. If you're in the country, close, come on, come visit. Troy Flahart is going to come see me. That's cool. Can't wait to see you, Troy. So anyhow, and my buddy Caleb Katner, his stump. That stump, he built like a fire hydrant. Love old stump. His parents going to come see me too. So all good. Hope y'all doing good. We will see y'all soon. Adios.